Hey, what's up guys? Hey, today we're going to be talking about the Lumien wall light. This is their W9B4 and this is actually the Pro. Either way, if you want to do the Pro, which will allow you to use their LP remote and you can control the different CCTs, you can dim it down, you can dim it up, and then you can also use any of the 12 preset colors as well with the Pro. Or if that's not for you and you want to just do a plain 2700 or 3000K, you can do that as well. But here's what I love about it the most, is it's modular. This is great. So if I ever have a problem out in the field, I don't have to worry about cutting the wire and splicing the wire back. I don't have to worry about taking up a paver and replacing the whole fixture. I've got a removable module, and this literally just sits in there just like that, and it's on. Then on the Pro, I can sit here and I can easily take and I can do the CCT, so I can go from 2700 all the way up to 5700 just by using these arrows and adjusting it with on the screen here and dimming it up and down. And then also I've got my colors as normal as well too. This is a great little hardscape light. I love it so much because of how it's built and designed. Very easy to change if there's ever a problem. These things have a 10-year warranty on it, a lifetime on the actual housing, and a 10-year on the LED. Fantastic little fixture.